In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the May WTI crude oil future, which hit a new 2024 high. That 83.12 level, which was up 1.17% versus the close yesterday of 82.16, is the highest level we've seen since November 3rd of last year for crude oil. Not only that, but we had the highest close today, the highest closing price in WTI since October 27th, continuing the rally since the low close on December 12th of 68.61. The total move higher is now 20.4%. The low today, 81.81. That was down about 43 basis points, so just over 0.4%. We ended up finishing the day just above 82.70, up about 2/3%. China demand is part of the reason. China's demand outlook is improving. The market is starting to believe not only in China's stimulus measures, but in lower interest rates across the developed world in the near future, helping to stimulate China's economy and subsequently their crude oil demand. Obviously, they're a huge exporter to many of the developed nations, and if they start lowering interest rates and stimulating demand outside of China, that will also help China's demand, and the outlook for that is starting to improve. Also, we had drone strikes from Ukrainian aircraft reported, obviously Ukrainian drones, that reduced capacity at Russian oil refineries by 600,000 barrels per day. So what does that mean? Well, if Russia's not refining as much product, then oil is sitting. It's not getting refined and not being turned out. So that would be a little bit of a downward pressure on prices, but instead, it's not enough for today. It maybe is why we got off the highs today, but that's about it. It's reducing overall capacity of refined product throughout the world. So that's a supply disruption, which could really work either way. But either way, we finished today up 2/3% in May WTI crude.